I'm going to climb this tree. So this is what I got. Cotton fruit. And I'm going to peel it. So the seeds are very sweet and this part is a bit sour. I'm going to wash it. Going to dip it in so I'm going to dip it in vinegar with chili. Going to prepare my post-workout meal. 4 eggs. And I'm going to add 1 cup of oats. And blend it. Four eggs and 1 cup of oats. I'll just grab it with my hands, and I already washed my hands. So I didn't add anything on it, but you can add some honey or peanut butter if you want. And for those of you that keep asking that why I didn't made any progress, it's because I don't really have enough for my diet, and life is so tough. By the way, I just want to say thank you so much to all my active supporters, and also to my past supporters. I really appreciate it. I am so thankful and blessed. And the one thing that slowed my progress is I don't get enough sleep, because I always sleep late at night. I'm always hustling and grinding to earn some money online. Look how deep my eye bag is. So I work in the morning until 3 p.m. and after that we're going to shoot a video for my YouTube channel, and after that I'm going to work again at night. I always grind and hustle every day because I have family to support. Life is so tough, but I'm not complaining. I'm still thankful and blessed. Waking up every morning is already a big blessing. Life is like a roller coaster. And for those of you who are having a hard time, just keep going and don't lose hope. We're all gonna make it someday. And again, I just want to say thank you so much to all my supporters, to all my active supporters. All is much appreciated. This is very dry. It feels like I'm eating a phone without a flavor. But it's okay. It's healthy anyway.